Has anyone else got the Stihl hs82rc? On this one, the pull cord was definitely going to snap the other day, so I just tied a knot in it for now, just so I could use it for that day. But now I'm going to pull it apart and put a new pull cord on it. There's the pull cord, there's the snips. I'm a bit lazy, so I'll probably just undo it all with it. I'll put all the little screws there. I'll take the top off. Hopefully the spring doesn't pull apart. I don't think I've ever had this off yet, ever. One more there, 5 altogether. Let's pull it off, see what happens. Well oiled this, can you see anything in there? I'm just going to make it nice and straightforward. I'm going to pull that as far as it'll go. Keep my finger in there. Going to be a tight one, this. We're just going to cut the exact same length of cord and leave that in there. Let's just get it out. I want to get it out of there. I've got some of these long nose pliers that might work. That definitely worked. I'm going to cut it off exactly there with that. I know we're good now. This is how long the other one is. So I want to make it kind of the same length. I'll cut it to size. Chop some off a bit more than I'm supposed to. I'll burn the end of this. Twist it up like that. Then I'll go back. I'm not actually sure how to do this, so I'm just going to go for it and see if it goes in there. No. So maybe it goes in through there. Go on. I don't want to turn it into a massive job. I just want to do it. I've got the gloves on. I want to push it through the hole. Maybe I need to poke it through. Try and poke it through with something. think it's gone through. Yeah. Now I need to get it through the hole at the back. I'll find it and pull it through. It's there, we're here now. Pull it through. And get it through the hole there. It'll go through. Try and get it through. You can see what I'm adding, can't you? That needs to go through there. Like that. Now I know I'm good with this now, it's the right length, I can cut this off. Throw that in the bin. I want to tie a knot in this end before I do anything. Get as close to the end as you can. It'll tighten itself up. So we'll see what happens when I pull that. Maybe tuck it all in and then pull it like that. So it looks like that. I'm going to spray a tiny little bit of WD-40 in here because I keep hearing a weird noise on the spring. I've already burnt the end, so I'm good. There's my handle. Straight back in. Does it need a double? Just one little knot in it. Pull it tight. Tuck it in. That knot might be too big. Pull it tight. Then I get the cord, I pull it out, so I've got some. I wind it up, I line it up with that line there. Let's get this back round again. Well, there's a gap, and I put my cord in the gap. Like that, so it's in the gap, and I'll just do 5 winds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then see how far this goes back. Maybe one more wind. Pull the cord out. do a quick wind. Pull that back out, let it go. I don't think I'm going to pull it that far. Let's test it with one more wind forward. But I think it might get jammed because there's too much in it then. Yeah, that's what I thought, too much. So, I'll tie a knot there. I'll undo it and move it further. I'm sure there's some more left on that yet. So we'll go to 2-3 more inches. Move it up to there. A bit more. It's a bit slack there, so I'm near. Very near. I'll put it back on. These are not all the same, so I reckon the back ones, because there's 2 the same, go in the bottom. And the 3 that are the same on the top. I'll tighten it up with this. Turn it down so it doesn't round off. And then I'll give it a last little tiny tighten with this. I think that one's in the wrong place. I can handle it. Pulling good anyway, so I'm happy. It's not been started for time. Might be okay with that. Right, that'll have to do. The end.